Hello friends, today we are going to solve a problem on Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. That means we have to determine the coefficient of correlation between the two given series, that is series X as well as that is series Y. We have to find out what sort of exact relation exists between series X as well as series Y, whether is it a positive correlation or whether it is a negative correlation. I mean, both are going in one direction or both are going in opposite direction. So we will find out with the help of using Karl Pearson's method. So let us say first we have to calculate the mean of series X as well as mean of series Y. So for determining the mean of series S, we have the formula x bar is equal to summation of x divided by capital N. So what is this summation of x? Summation of x is nothing but the total of the series, that is x. Summation of x is the addition or the total of series x. So here I have already calculated the summation. The addition of series x is 666. We will write here as 666 divided by n, and that is total number of observations. So we are going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total number of observations are 10. So the mean, that is x bar, of this particular series is 66.6. Okay friends, similarly we have to calculate the mean of y series, that is y bar, which is given by the formula summation of y divided by capital N. So we need to calculate the addition of the series of y. Here the addition is nothing but 577. This is 577 divided by n, that is number of observation, which is 10. So here the mean is 57.7. Now friends, you can easily observe that the mean is not a whole number. So we need to convert this whole number so as to simplify the further process. So we can round it off to next digit. Say for example, the mean of x bar is 66.6. We can assume here as 67. We can assume the mean of x bar as 67, as well as we can assume the mean of y bar, which is nothing but 57.7. So next whole number is 58. So we can assume the mean as 58. Now friends, we need to calculate the deviation. Deviation means dx is equal to x minus x bar. Whatever the values of x here exist, that minus the x bar. X bar is nothing but 67. So let us say, for example, we take the first case, that is deviation of x. This is 62. So this is 62 minus x bar. What is x bar? 67. So it comes out to be minus 5. Okay friends, I hope you have understood. Next is 72. 72 minus 67. 72 minus 67. This comes out to be plus 5. Next, 78 minus 67. This comes out to be 11. Next, 58 minus 67. This is minus 9. Next, 65 minus 67, minus 2. 70 minus 67, this is minus 3. Sorry, this is plus 3. 66 minus 67, this is minus 1. 63 minus 67, this is minus 4. 60 minus 67, again this is minus 7. And 72 minus 67, which comes out to be 5. In similar manner, we need to calculate the deviation of y from the mean, that is y bar. dy is equal to y minus y bar. So y is 50 and y bar is 58. In this case, this is 50 minus 58. So the answer comes out to be minus 8. Similarly, 65 minus 58, the answer comes out to be 7. 63 minus 58, the answer is 5. 50 minus 58, the answer is minus 8. 54 minus 58, this is minus 4. 60 minus 58, this is plus 2. 61 minus 58, this is plus 3. 55 minus 58, this is minus 3. 54 minus 58, this is minus 4. And finally 65 minus 58, this comes out to be 7. So now friends, since we have taken the mean, we have assumed the mean, we have taken the round of mean to the nearest whole number, that is 67. So here the value of dx, the value of summation of dx will exist. So we need to make the total of this particular series, that is dx. Here it comes out to be minus 4. When we are going to add all the values, it comes out to be minus 4. Similarly, we have rounded off the figure, that is y bar, that is mean of y, to 58. So here the value of summation of dy will also exist. This is, we make the total of the entire thing. This comes out to be minus 3. Now next column is dx square, the square of column number 3. So minus 5 square is 25. Next again this will be 25, 11 square 121, 9 square 81, 4, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 4 square 16, 7 square this is 49, and finally 5 square, that is 25. Similarly, we are going to calculate the square of each of the column number 4. So this is 8 minus 8 square, that is 64. Next 7 square, that is 49, this is 25. This is 8 square, that is 64, 4 square, that is 16, 2 square, that is 4, 3 square, which will be 9, again minus 3 square, which will be 9, 4 square, that will be 16, and finally 7 square, that will be 49. We need to calculate the summation of dx square also. So the summation of dx square here in this problem comes out to be 356. Finally, we need to calculate the summation of dy square also. That means addition of all the items, all the numbers of dy square. So here it comes out to be 305. Next, finally friends, we need to calculate the value of dx into dy. That means column number 3 multiplied by column number 4. So minus 5 multiplied by minus 8, this comes out to be 40. 7 multiplied by 3, 35. 11 multiplied by 5, 55. Minus 9 minus 8, 72, minus 4, this is minus 2 into minus 4, that is 8. 3 into 2, that is 6. Minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Next this will be 12. Next this will be 28. And finally 5 multiplied by 7, this will be 35. Here also we need to calculate the addition of dx into dy, which is called as summation of dx into dy. Here the value is 288. Now friends, we need to calculate the Karl's Pearson coefficient of correlation. That means for calculating Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, which is given by gamma, here since the value of dx, summation of dx and summation of dy is a non-zero number, so we need to here put up the formula which is called as shortcut method or shortcut formula. We have to use the method, that is shortcut method. So in that shortcut method, the coefficient, the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, that is gamma is given by the value n into summation of dx into dy minus into bracket summation of dx into bracket summation of dy. The entire thing denominator is square root of in square bracket n multiplied by summation of dx square minus into bracket summation of dx, bracket complete, square, again the square bracket gets complete, multiplied by square bracket n into summation of dy square minus into bracket summation of dy, bracket complete, the square, and the square bracket gets completed. Now putting down the values of all the known figures, of all the known digits, n, that is number of observation, which is 10, multiplied by summation of dx into dy, this is 288, minus summation of dx, summation of dx is minus 4, into bracket summation of dy, this is minus 3, divided by square root of in square bracket n is 10, multiplied by summation of dx square, that is 356, minus summation of dx bracket square, summation of dx, that is minus 4, bracket square. Now the square brackets gets completed, multiplied by into square bracket, that is n is again here 10, multiplied by summation of dy square, summation of dy square is 305 minus into bracket summation of dy square, summation of dy, that is minus 3 into bracket minus 3 bracket square. Again this square bracket gets completed. Next this will be 10 multiplied by 288, that is 2880 minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, that comes out to be 12, divided by square root of, this is 356 multiplied by 10, that is 3560 minus 4 square, that is 16, into another bracket 305 multiplied by 10, that is 3050 minus 3 square, that is 9. So this I am going to solve, that is this figure is 2868 divided by square root of 3560 minus 16, this comes out to be 3544 multiplied by 3050 minus 9, that is 3041. So once I have calculated the value, so the gamma comes out to be the value of Karl's Pearson coefficient of correlation comes out to be 0.87. This is your final figure, this is your final digit, that is the Karl's Pearson coefficient of correlation. Here it is 0.87. Now this particular 0.87 indicates that there exists a positive correlation between series X as well as series Y. That means whenever the value of series X gets increases, similarly correspondingly the value of series Y will also get increase, and vice versa. That means if the value of series X gets decreasing, the value of series Y will also get decrease, because there exists a positive correlation between series and between series X and series Y. Friends, just one thing to remember: when we are going to round off any of the digit that is either X bar or Y bar or both the digits, then we have to always necessarily use shortcut method or shortcut formula. The reason being the value of summation of dx and summation of dy does not comes equal to 0. It is a non-zero digit. That is why we always have to use the shortcut method. Friends, I hope you might have understand today's problem. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.